All right, we're here in the transit station. It's under construction. Look at this guy. Hello. Hey, what's all the hubbub? Deputy? Deputy? How come you have an AR-15? Or an M4? Or what's the nomenclature on that? AR-15? How come?
They require us to have it.
Isn't this the transit station? Oh, there's the government building? Oh, okay. And what's this? This is the government center? Cool. You have public records here?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Taking over. Lunch break. So they only give you one rifle, huh?
Changing of the guards.
Yeah. I saw that in London. The Horse Guards Parade. It's pretty neat. So you guys share a rifle? Who turns it back into the armory? Who has to clean it?
It's our rifle. We don't have to turn it in.
Well, who maintains it? Who cleans it? Both of you? You take turns doing it? Whose turn is it next?
Where are you guys from?
We the people.
That's your organization?
Well, yeah. It's your organization too, I hope. Right? You guys prior service? This is not Iraq. This is not Afghanistan. I'm not a hostile. I have no ill will, no ill intent. I'm just asking some questions. Thank you. So, whose turn is it next to clean the rifle? Do you break it all the way down to the bolt? Like you break the bolt down as well? Because that little retaining pin, if you lose that, it's a pain in the butt. All right. All right, can I have your name and badge number, please?
Officer Silva, ID 5563.
Thank you. How about you, sir?
Atherley 4663.
Thanks. Say hi to Kaniva for me. He was in the Marine Corps with me.
Take care. Have a good one.
Cool. You too. That was a pretty good interaction.
Oh, you guys are
video.
It's laying it all out.
What are you guys doing here?
Posting similar to that over there.
Okay.
Tying all this in over here.
Right on. Cool.
Security clearance stuff.
Oh, okay. Gotcha, gotcha. No. He didn't want to be on film. I laugh at people that think that helps. It's 60 frames a second. Thanks.
Those are cameras on top and bottom?
Yep.
It's not like 360?
That's right. Anything can be construed as battery, you know? So legal reasons, I like to protect myself.
Like a stabilizer too?
Well, just my hand. But it's a lot steadier than holding just the phone.
Oh yeah, because you shake.
Right.
Okay, so the 26th floor is...
Nanny nanny boo boo. Thank you. It's gonna be a beautiful thumbnail. Whoa.
I'm hoping they're bringing the doors.
Well, that's what Mike said.
That's not good. Or did they shut this down because of construction?
Yeah, we're modding it.
Oh, okay.
I appreciate you not videotaping me. I don't know who you are.
Oh, that's. Do you work for the public?
No.
No.
Yeah.
But you're working on a public building, right? That's what we're doing, is documenting what is being done with our government dime. You should appreciate this, brother.
I live in Dade County.
Hey. There you guys are.
Public records request. Is this the finance department? Public records from the finance department about bank account information for the county here.
Wait, let me come on the.
Huh? No, I'm not a vendor. I'm a citizen making a public records request. I'm an independent journalist.
And you don't know your fulfillment without your consent.
Okay.
Really?
You don't have consent to film her.
Who's this?
She went to go get a supervisor.
Oh.
So she's a receptionist. I don't see her name anywhere. And this is about par for course. Show up with a camera, ask the public record request, stay for about 10 to 20 minutes. Come back, 50% of the time, that's the level that you're supposed to be
Excuse me. Hi.
There was a receptionist.
Did we date?
I don't know. Maybe back in your high school days.
I think so.
See, I'm not camera shy. I don't care.
Good. Can you get her to hurry up? Please? Thank you. I'm sorry to interrupt your call, but we've been waiting for a while. Can you tell her to get her supervisor quickly, please?
He's there.
Okay, come on. Porque tenemos que ir a otro lugar. We gotta be places.
Right. We don't all move at the speed of government, which is sloth-like.
Don't say that about sloths, man.
Listen,
They
listen.
move way faster.
You don't know how delighted I was when I watched my little girl watching Zootopia, and
Yeah.
I saw at the B&B they were all sloths.
Is it your birthday?
Very nice.
Good, good. Tell her to come out. She had a frown on her face. She said, "Oh no," and that's the boss.
Oh, is it?
That's the boss applesauce. Oh no, that's the Miami Marlins stadium then. Yeah.
Because that's in Little Havana. Right?
Yeah, that's the Miami Marlins stadium. That used to be the Orange Bowl, and they tore the Orange Bowl down and made the Miami Marlins stadium.
Is that the one where it's 87 cents a ticket?
Yep. 87 cents for a ticket they had. Yeah.
Yeah, I went to go see the Marlins play when Jose Fernandez got back from Tommy John surgery.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he pitched, won the game against the world champs, and he hit a home run.
Oh wow.
That game. Yeah, his first
That's a good game to go to.
That was an awesome game.
Yeah, and trying to hide from the cameras. Like, this is a bad sign. This is a bad sign.
Pretty official looking.
Yeah. Gently turn the handle up and down. And it has a little directional directive. I'm sorry?
Where will it go?
Oh, you called?
This way.
Okay.
Thank you.
The lady with the flowers? Yeah? Cool. Thank you. And what's your name, ma'am?
Mine? Isela Oliver.
I'm sorry?
Isela Oliver.
Gisela? I'm very hard of hearing. I'm sorry.
Let me write it down.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Isela Oliver.
You're filming for?
Yes, I'm filming for free. I'm not gonna charge you.
For the purpose?
We the
For my
people.
purpose.
Who are you?
Who's asking?
Who are you? Do you work for the public?
Yes.
You're required to identify yourself if a public
Okay.
member of the public asks. What's your name? What are you hiding for? What's his name, please?
I don't know him. He's new.
Yeah, that's you are an exemplary employee. You're doing exactly what you're supposed to do.
I'm supposed to.
Yeah.
Civil servant.
Exactly.
Of course. But I cannot provide it in somewhere else that I don't know.
No, you don't have to.
Here comes another guy.
I was just hoping you could help. He has to. You don't have to. Hello.
I love when people try to walk it out and have a 360 camera. I'm telling you, it catches everything. Yeah,
Oh, may I please
catches everything.
have a little bit of sanitizer? Thank you.
know
Thank you. Oh, that's a lot of it.
You know that stuff kills you naturally.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good to use every now and then, but not always.
If I feel my hands are dirty, I just blow my nose in them.
We're never shaking hands. I have that same exact shirt.
Oh, the leopard print one?
No, those boxers, but. Yeah.
Oh no, I don't want to be filmed. What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
This?
Yeah. what's
It's a
that?
camera. It's my phone, but I use it as a camera as well. She said they called him.
I don't know who they call. Do you guys see a custodian of public records anywhere?
I think I saw about a dozen of them.
Well, no, there has to be a posted sign for the custodian of records.
Mail clerk knows. You know where the custodian of public records is?
That's ridiculous, dude. That's so funny. I've looked all over this office. I did not see a posted notice for the custodian of public records. So that means that
I'm
they
trying to
are
access the
open
system, but I don't have access to
for
this.
a
So I'm
lunch.
trying to set up
Should they not want to
everything.
provide
I,
I'm sorry, I'm very hard of hearing. I didn't hear what you said. I'm sorry, you said.
sorry, but we don't have access to the system.
The system is down?
The system is down.
Yeah. Well, that's not going to make us go away. Tell them to stop making you defend the whole fort all by yourself. Tell them to stop hiding back there and to come help us like they're supposed to according to Statute 119-1.
All right, I give them a couple more minutes and then we'll just chalk it
Is that a statute or is that just a
It's a
sunshine?
statute.
Yeah.
No, it's a statute.
Florida
Section
state
119.
statute.
Yep. So give them a couple more minutes, and if not, we'll chalk it up as a.
Yeah, as a failure, denial of service. Qué vergüenza.
And that sit up in a stuffy office all day, so. Yeah, that's the great thing about the building is you walk through the whole path and you get
Hi. Hi. Can you please get the supervisor up front? She had flowers when she came in. I'm sure she's trying to celebrate something on her lunch break. But we have places to be, and it's already been 15 minutes since the receptionist freaked out over the camera. Ella se friqueó por la cámara y dijo que iba a buscar a la supervisora y nunca vino. Hello. Are you the supervisor? We're trying to make a public records request, and the lady said that we don't have permission to film her, and she.
No for filming, but public record got a procedure in our web page, and you have followed to it.
You are the custodian of the records here. I want to review the records now and here.
You have to request what
No?
record.
You're all shaking your head no?
No, you have to request what record specific you want. Because
be able to review requests and see if we're able to accommodate.
That I have to request one record specifically I want? I'm sorry, please make yourself clear because I don't understand the pretext.
which one you like, and you have to make the request in writing. So we locate.
I can tell you verbally and you can write it down for me. That's the law.
No, I'm sorry, but it's
I am
not-
positive. I do this all over the state. Y ustedes están fallando. You're failing.
So we have the website.
Okay, it's going to cost tens of thousands of dollars in civil lawsuits if you deny us. Oh yeah? You shrug your shoulders? Because it's our money.
We're offering you the website. You need
And
to
I'm
go
telling
to-
you I want my records here now.
Yeah, this is the proper channel, so we got a procedure.
The proper channel is for you to write it down. If there's a website that you have to log into to get it and send it to me, do that.
You don't go to any government institution and request a public record verbally and pretend that we give you immediately. We got a
I didn't say I
procedure.
wanted
All
it
the
immediately.
government Or the government entity, all the entities have procedure. The only thing that we are requesting you is to follow a procedure. We never tell you that we will not give you what you request. The
I'm
only
asking
thing
you to
that
follow
we
the
are
procedure.
The only thing that we are telling you is that you have to request properly. That's it.
I'm requesting properly, and you have to respond properly.
We have a web procedure.
Hold on, what are they trying to give us?
They're saying that we have to go to the website to make a public records request, that we can't get anything here. They said that they don't do it immediately. I didn't ask for it immediately. Ma'am, please don't walk away.
No, she's not
Oh, okay.
walking away.
Well, she's not flying away right now.
Just give me a minute. I'm delivering the breakfast.
Oh, okay. First things first, right? You know, I'm hungry too. I want to go eat.
Raquel.
¿Me trajeron la materva? Thank God I speak Spanish. We wouldn't have anything done here. Not that we're getting any help anyway.
There is oh, thank you so much. See, there is a lot of Latin around here, yes,
Yes?
in Miami.
Sí, claro, pero que me atienden en inglés también.
Sí, también. Claro que sí,
Yeah.
aquí hablan nosotros.
Okay. You'd be surprised. Watch the video. Look like roaches.
Listen, we're not gonna waste any more time here. I'm just gonna chalk this up as a failure. In the public records law, let them know that anybody can come in and make a verbal request. So.
Well,
Here, recording?
yeah, because the supervisor is really trying to give us the slip. Tell her to stop.
I don't know who you are, don't
You're Raquel, right? Oh.
Hey.
I'm coming.
Finn,
Yeah.
get out of here, man. I'm not waiting any longer. Scoot, on to the next one. Got a whole day ahead of me.
Everyone else failed. You get a pass.
Chief, you're coming, Finn?
Yeah. Let's do an about face actually.
Huh?
Go out that way. Oh no, we can't. Think maybe out that way, yeah. Let's go back out this way. See if the guard's still manning his post. Smooth.
You missed it. That's why I stopped in front of those guys.
Oh.
They were talking about us.
Oh, I thought so.
Yeah, that's why I walked right up to him and was like.
I thought so. I thought so.
And then they're all like. That's funny. Yeah.
Getting a lot of scowls out here.
Yeah.